Hello, welcome to the launch of SOLIDWORKS 2021. Thank you to all SOLIDWORKS customers and prospects. Today, I want to share with you the SOLIDWORKS strategy. My name is Gian Paolo Bassi. I am the CEO of SOLIDWORKS. Let me give you some background. SOLIDWORKS is part of Dassault Systèmes, the company that since the 80s has dominated the world of engineering software for the manufacturing sector. SOLIDWORKS is an important part of the family, with an organic contribution of about 20% of the revenues of Dassault Systèmes for the last few years. Let's look at some numbers. More than 5 million users, including education, 330,000 companies, and 33,000 academic institutions all over the world where SOLIDWORKS is taught and used in the research labs. We are here today to celebrate the release of SOLIDWORKS 2021. The amount of innovation in SOLIDWORKS 2021 is staggering. Just the What's New book has 163 pages and 24 chapters. For our customers, performance is among the top priorities. And therefore we dedicate a lot of attention to that because it directly and measurably affects productivity. We continuously look at performance in all functionalities. For instance, with the SOLIDWORKS 2021, we have improved the download time by 25%. The flattening operation of complex sheet metal models is now 20-25 times faster. Adding files to PDM is up to 3 times faster. Check-in and change state transactions are 25% faster. All of this work on performance, of course, affects productivity, but it also offers a better user experience to our designers that spend so much time on a computer to imagine and realize their products. We also know that the world of design is changing. The pace of innovation is accelerating. In 1870, it took 35 years for 1/4 of the US population to adopt the telephone. Fast forward, in 2009, in just 5 years, 1/4 of the US population adopted social networks. In the last few years, we saw the rise of digital platforms that enable new paradigms and help build creative online communities that are vital to stimulate and foster innovation. The advances in technology are determining also the rise of cyber, physical, biological systems that are blurring the line between humans and machines, brain and algorithms. Of course, combining digital, physical, and virtual has enormous complexity. Businesses that want to stay relevant and beat the competition need to transform and adopt the advances in science and technology, understand how to operate in the evolving society. Businesses need to adopt platforms that enable new paradigms, new experiences, and new business models. Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA, last year said that the Moore's law, which predicted an exponential increase in processing power of computers, is now dead. That is actually true. My 4-year-old laptop is almost as powerful as more recent ones. On the other hand, the need of computational power to process artificial intelligence-based algorithms or multi-physics simulation doesn't seem to slow, does it? Where do you find all this power? Obviously, in the data centers that now replace the notion of computer itself. This is why we decided to expand the SOLIDWORKS portfolio to the cloud, and we call this new expanded portfolio 3D Experience Works. The 3D Experience Works portfolio will bring to our customers the future of design to manufacturing and extraordinary capabilities in 3 areas. 1, integrated design disciplines from mechanical to electrical. 2, design automation that includes topology optimization, generative design, and also automation of many tasks like assembly composition powered by machine learning. 3, multi-physics simulation at all stages of design. Simulation is not just a downstream workflow anymore. It is meant to accompany any phase of design, from conceptual to detailed. Simulation is becoming pervasive, and it's not only the usual stress and strain computation, it's increasingly multi-physics, to better simulate the coexistence of multiple conditions. This includes fluid dynamics, electromagnetic field, all the way into material science to simulate a sintering operation and new alloys, which is so critical for an industrial 3D printing strategy. The 3D Experience Works portfolio also includes the 3D Experience SOLIDWORKS offers. These offers combine in one package the SOLIDWORKS you know and love, plus the cloud services that keep you more productive, collaborative, and mobile. Our strategy is very simple. One brand, SOLIDWORKS, and one portfolio, 3D Experience Works, with the options to be on desktop, connected to the platform services, or fully in the cloud and just working in a browser. Our strategy is consistent with our vision that the future of engineering software is of more mobile and browser-based systems. Our customers need gradual expansion to advance capabilities like design automation and artificial intelligence, but everything has still to work seamlessly together. To conclude, I would like to show you the comment of SynData that participated to 3D Experience World in Nashville in February 2020. SOLIDWORKS' flagship desktop CAD product is here to stay and progress, as the new 2021 edition clearly demonstrates. The new portfolio called the 3D Experience Works is expanding the capabilities of our offer in new advanced directions like collaboration, data management, simulation, manufacturing. Delmia Works is completing the full circle of innovation from design to manufacturing with the ERP and MES products that well suit the small medium manufacturers where SOLIDWORKS is so popular and successful. As we know, the worldwide health crisis has heavily affected businesses and people and has indicated new priorities for the society at large. We must use science and technology even more to improve the world we live in. I am optimistic. Technology is a positive force, but we must remember that technology is by humans and for humans in the first place. This is the true promise of the industry renaissance. Thank you for your attention. Have a great day.